Bubba, what do you see?
Huh?
What do you see?
Watch out.
Bubba found his Coliseum. What do you think of Rome so far, honey?
Oh, it's overwhelming, more than one way. So historic, but so many tourists, and so hot.
Yeah.
But well
Give
worth
you
it.
guys an idea how hot is it right now?
Oh, I think it's probably 90, 92, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, hot.
I think it's time for a sip.
Let's go sipping.
Thank you. It is so hot outside. It's a little sweet. So good. What did you get, honey? Zucchini flowers, stuffed.
Zucchini flowers with anchovies.
Yum. Do you want to cut one open? Oh. Oh, fa.
Oh yeah.
Is it good?
Hang on.
We're cutting into this. Ooh, look at that. Doesn't get much fresher than that. Oh my god, babe, it's so fresh. So we just got to our hotel. It's a brand new hotel in Rome, and it honestly, it doesn't even have a sign yet, but it's one of the Leanardo boutique hotels. They have a few of them around Italy, and we are excited to try it. So we are showered and refreshed. It was so hot earlier, but it's cooling down. It's beautiful. And we just got to the Trevi Fountain. As you can see, it's really, really, really busy, but let's see if we can get a little closer. Very, very, very congested in June. So we're not going to go down there right now, but we might go up later.
So we're heading out to dinner, and we're heading over to, which is right in back of us, Alfredo alla Scrofa. And apparently this is where they invented a Fettuccine Alfredo that, you know, everybody eats and everybody loves. And yeah, so apparently it's Alfredo di Lelio, and his the guy that invented Fettuccine Alfredo. And this restaurant's been here for forever.
1914.
1914, I believe. And we're about to go check it out, and we're going to show you exactly what it looks like. This is the real deal. I don't care where you have Alfredo. This is the best you're probably going to have. This is the original. So
We'll
come
see.
check it out with us.
The story of this pasta goes back to more than 100 years ago. So invented this pasta in this restaurant exactly in 1914 for his wife Venus by Alfredo. So the fettuccine is perfect. It's so famous. Just need 30 seconds to be cooked and be done.
What's up, guys? So we just got our main course, I guess you would call it here, and there it is. That's the original Fettuccine Alfredo right there. We also have a little side of
Meatballs.
some meatballs here. You guys can see that. Looks like a wonderful dish as well. So let's dig in. I'm gonna do the.
I think you should taste Alfredo with me first.
Let's do the Alfredo. Salud.
Salud. Cheers, baby.
Cheers. Oh. Oh.
Actually pretty light.
Yeah,
Like the pasta itself is very,
it's rich,
it's rich,
light on
but
the stomach.
The pasta is
Surprising.
very light. I don't know if you can see that.
So I'm gonna dig into one of these meatballs
yeah.
here.
We're picky
go.
about meatballs because we make them at home.
Mm.
You like them?
Oh my god, so flavorful. Everything in Italy so far has been on a different level as far as food goes.
Well, I think we liked it all. Everything is gone to the very last bite. And we are ending our night at this cute little bar called Osteria Vite Della.